Today I'm going to talk about how to enter data in Excel. I'm going to start typing some data in this blank worksheet. I'm going to start with cell number A1, monthly income. I'm not going to worry about resizing the width right now. Then I wanted to go to the row number 2. I can simply hit the enter button on my keyboard. Then I'm going to start typing more data. If I finish cell number A2 or on the left side of the cell, I can hit the tab key to move to the next cell on the right. Then I'm going to hit enter so that my next active cell will be readily available on cell number A3 in the next row. And then I'm going to hit the tab key once I finish one cell on that row so that my active cell will move across next cell in the same row. I'm going to hit enter for the next row. So basically you are going to hit tab key across same row. Once you finish a single row, you hit enter to move to the next row. I'm done with my data. I'm going to hit enter for my last one. I wanted to point out to you, when you enter a data in a cell, you see the data in the cell itself, also in its entirety in the formula bar area. Now, if you wanted to edit the data, for example, I wanted to change my income number 3 here to junior's income. I'm going to select and I can simply overtype on it. I am not seeing the entire data in here. Why? Because it is not wide enough. So I'm just going to simply click between A and B. By doing so, all the data in cell number A1 through cell number A6 now being seen. There is a difference between deleting the cell content and deleting the entire row of data. For example, if I wanted to select and delete junior's income, I'm going to select that cell and I can just hit the delete button on my keyboard. By doing so, I'm just deleting the content of the cell. But if I wanted to delete the entire row number 5, I am going to select the entire row number 5. Then I'm going to go to the cells group, go to the delete button. By doing so, entire row is deleted. I'm going to undo that so that all of the data will come back. As a matter of fact, I need to fix this. So to fix my spelling error here, I can overtype it or I can fix in the formula bar area. All I have to do is I can just simply click in between those where I made a mistake and I can use the backspace button and I can just and fix that way, and I can simply click the tab button after I finish that. Next, I wanted to show you how to copy and paste the cell. Let's say I wanted to copy the entire data. I'm going to select cell number A1, then I'm going to drag my mouse to include all of it. Then I'm going to click on this copy button, or you can do so Control-C on your keyboard. I'm just going to simply click on that. Excel is marking the area that I wanted to copy. And I'm going to select the empty area. Make sure you hit the empty area or else you'll be copying on the top of the existing data if you do not select the empty area. Then I can simply click on the paste button. After that, you need to get rid of this marquee or the marching ant, we call it, and then we can hit escape button to get rid of that. If I wanted to cut and paste, let's say I wanted to cut this already selected, I'm going to click on the cut. Then I'm going to select another empty area. I can click on the paste button. So by cutting, you will not see the original data anymore. You will see it in the new location you have selected. Last one, I wanted to show you how to transpose the data, meaning your columns will become rows and your rows will become the column. Let's say I wanted to select this entire data to transpose it. When you transpose it, you cannot cut it, you have to copy it. I'm going to click on the copy button, and I'm going to select the empty area that I wanted to transpose. Then I'm going to choose right below the paste where the arrow is. I'm going to click on that. From there, I'm going to choose the last button on that paste group right there. I'm going to click on that. By doing so, my columns become my row data, my rows become my column heading here. And again, to get away from the marching ant, you want to click the escape button.
This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.